is one of the more favorite places I like coming. Pick and pull. Junkyard heaven. And my focus is on this vehicle, the horn relay. I love these old vehicles. Let's take a quick look here. And in fact, the parts that I require I've already removed, but just to show you inside here, this is the part. That's the relay. Now I'm going to unplug it again. There, it's unplugged. And that is the plug-in right there that it goes into. This horn relay plugs into that wiring part of the wiring harness. It's got a green wire, a red wire, and a black wire. And the green and the red are fairly substantial, and the ground wire is a little smaller gauge. And that is the relay right there. There's the number. Okay. Now back home to install this relay into my vehicle. Get my horn working again. Beep, beep.